Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to do a matrix inverse using a MinVerse function. Okay, let's go to Excel. Okay, this is the matrix I have 4 by 4, and I am using going to get inverse matrix, and this square matrix. Okay, 4 by 4, and I'm getting inverse of square matrix 4 by 4. The resultant set is also 4 by 4. So okay, this matrix A has 4 columns and 4 rows. It shows that it's an array of numbers, so we are going to use a array function, and we already know that the array is going to the output is going to be an array also, and it is 4 by 4 format. Okay, so what we are going to do is, where do you want to put the output? Okay, you want to put the output in the 8th row. From there you just select the output array place and go to the active cell of this, which is the formula bar. Go there and enter the formula. What I am going to enter is MinVerse function. Okay, MinVerse. Okay, once you enter, it shows the argument or the input has to be a array. Okay, for our case this array is nothing but a matrix A. Okay, so select the full set of values, which is A to D5. Okay, once you select the array, what you need to do is you close the bracket. Once you close the bracket, you need to enter this function, but in this case it's an array function, so you cannot straight away just enter. What you need to do is you need to enter Control Shift Enter. Okay, use Control Shift Enter. Okay, you see it Excel populated the values in the full set. Okay, this array set. Okay, this is the inverse of matrix A. Okay, it is in the fractionals, real numbers. Okay, usually you do in calculations 1 by something, all this, but here it is not there, because Excel is calculating up to the decimals. Okay, this is the way you can get a matrix inverse of the matrix supposed to be a square matrix in this example. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. I will meet you on next video. Before that, one thing you need to remember, that the function what you enter here is array function. For array function, you can see the function is enclosed by a braces. By this you can ensure that you are entering array function or not. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. I will see you in next video. Okay, thank you.